Now, so far with your learning and the knowledge you got in the previous 2 sessions, ideas that you got of solving other questions, based on that, please classify it honestly as easy, medium, or hard problem.
Easy.
I think I can
Easy.
solve it.
I think it's easy.
People who are not answering is fine.
Moderate, I think.
Moderate.
Somebody thinks, okay. Somebody who is absolutely clueless, I don't know what to do here. Please be very honest. You skip things like this, you're not sure, please do ask. Ayush, Akash.
Yeah, I already said it's easy.
Sai Purnima.
I think it's moderate, but I just don't know where to start yet.
Okay. Devak and Ikshita.
I said moderate.
Okay. Anupriya, Radhana. You already given the answers.
I said it was easy.
For those who are thinking moderate, are you still thinking? Are you still having issues? I want to hear back what is your thought.
I think this the answer has the possibility of also being 8, similar to.
I'm not. I don't need ABCD as answer. What is your approach? How do you solve this? That's it.
I think it's easy actually now.
Karthik and Latik.
You want us to explain how to solve this?
Karthik and Latik only.
No, this is Karthik. Yeah, you want me? You want?
Yes, Karthik. Go ahead.
Yeah, because G of 4 equals 8. You set the top to 8, and then you substitute 4. Then you solve for x, and then you can plug it in.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. You can.
Okay.
I mean, you solve for a, and then.
Very good. Bhumika, how about you?
I think it's easy as well.
Okay. Did you get what?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I agree.
Sarah, Sriya.
I think it's easy too, and I agree with what Karthik had to say on how to solve it.
Good. Suhas. Suhas, how about you?
I think it's moderate.
Anybody who thinks that I should help and just solve it on the board?
Yeah, I think so. I have one question about this problem.
Okay. Please don't hesitate asking for, sir, please solve it on the board. You have been given G4 equals to 8. We have done a similar problem before. In that problem, I told you that use this as your tool. Equate this in the equation Gx is equals to ax square plus 24. So when you see G4 here means x, you are substituting 4 for x, it becomes a 4 square plus 24. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Finally, you know that the value of G4 is already 8 given. So I will say 8 equals to 16a plus 24.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yes.
A equals to -1.
Correct.
Yeah.
When a equals to -1, you got the value of the constant done. So I will transform this equation as Gx is equals to -x square plus 24.
Yes.
Yes.
I am being asked to find out what is G of -4. So I will do like this.
Don't you have to do the x squared first and then multiply by -1?
Okay. Do I need to do x square first and then multiply by x square. And what I have done, what is wrong in what I have done? You may be right.
You did the multiplication first, which is wrong. You have to do the exponents, I think.
Did I multiply it first or I just plugged in?
You just plugged in.
You just plugged in first.
What is wrong in this part? Tell me.
Actually, never mind. Nothing's wrong. The next step, it was clarified.
Okay. 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 If there is anything that is not clear, please feel free to ask. So this becomes, after the whole square, the negative will automatically become positive. So 16 plus 24. This becomes 10, 2, 3, 4, 40.
It's actually minus 16.
It's minus 16.
Negative 16.
Yeah, it's negative 16.
Trick us.
Good catch. Very nice. Intentionally done mistake. This becomes plus 8. Isn't done?
Yeah.
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 Make sense?
Yes.
Yes.
Say it's kind of like easy to moderate, maybe.
Yeah.
Problem.
Yes.
Yeah, I kind of like did it like really, I kind of did like wrong and then like,
Yes.
but then like the answer came to be the same as like I solved it.
Okay, here's the thing, guys. You will not get a function problem easier than this. This is SAT standard. So there is nothing. If you know that A is a constant, you have to get the value and just plug it in and you're done. It's the most easiest to solve it. Getting my point?
Yes.
So your
Yeah.
the more the faster your calculation is, the more quicker you get it. That's all it is. Okay. Okay. Anybody wants to take a snapshot? Please go ahead. I'm going to pick up another problem. Okay. This we have already done. Already done. Last 3. Okay. Let's try to see this problem. Okay. Looking at the problem, how many of you think, sir, at least I got what it is?
I think it's pretty simple.
Yeah, I think it's really simple.
Okay.
I think it's pretty simple.
3 people say simple. Anybody wants to say it like a medium or tough, maybe?
Yeah, I get.
It's a medium.
Okay.
Moderate.
Okay. Anybody who thinks that I have no clue, sir? Okay. Who wants to explain this?
I can
Okay,
give it a
let-
shot.
Okay, Karthik, go ahead.
Because the domain is between 2 and 6 and it has equal to signs. You just plug in 2 and 6 in there, and that's the farthest the domain can change. I mean, the range can change. So that's, then you solve that and you get your answer.
So can I say in this problem, domain is being given and the range is being asked?
Yes.
Can I say that?
Yes.
Yes.
Domain was what?
2 less than equal to x less than equal to 6.
Domain, the definition of domain,
All the x
when you
values.
learned about all the x applicable. What is the range?
The y
All
values.
y. Okay. Is there anybody who is not clear on the problem statement now? Please be honest to yourself, not to your friends or not to me. Please be honest to yourself. If you have questions, please ask. Very, very important things. I'm not teaching anything that is less important. Each and every theory is oriented towards that. Each and every problem is oriented towards that. Okay. Now, if I want to find out the range from the domain, okay. If I say that 2 is the minimum x value here and 6 is the maximum x value, right?
Yes.
So if I plug it in the y, which is the function, for the 2 and 6, I will get the minimum range and the maximum range.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is that very much fair?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Let's see this problem. Very important. Your statement is fx is equals to 2x minus 4. And you already know that the domain for this is 2 to 6. First of all, you tell me, is this the right domain for the function?
Yes.
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 I say it is not the right domain. It is not exactly the right domain of the function. It is a limited domain. You have been given a function. I told you whatever x can take in this problem, if this domain is not given to you, this domain, and if I ask you what is the domain of this, what would you say?
Negative infinity plus if the domain is not given.
Negative infinity to plus infinity. Is there any problem in that? Yes or no? Okay, let me reiterate. I have closed this, okay? I have given you this function. I asked you what is the domain of this function. What is your answer? You would say that, sir, in case of a function, whatever x can take is my domain. That much I have learned. Whatever x can take is my domain. So there is no problem in saying that x can expand from minus infinity to plus infinity in this case. Is there any problem here?
No.
No.
But in the problem statement, you have been binded this by saying this function is defined within this range only. Within this range means range is not y here. Within this small, there is no better word actually. When we talk about range in terms of functions, it always points out to like y values and domain points out to x values. But when I tell you technically that this function has limited values, as only a set of values, which is bounded by 2 less than x less than equals to 6. Is that okay? That is the condition that the problem has put, but that is not the real domain of this. Is that the real domain?
No.
It's not the real domain. It is the problem which is giving you that this is the defined domain. Don't go beyond it. Are we clear?
Yes.
Yes or no? Some yes or no, please. Some yes, no. Sir, I'm here, I'm present, I'm listening, at least something.
I'm clear.
Yes. Sai
Clear.
Purnima, Sarah,
Yes.
Shriya, Aradhana. Okay. So if, as I told you before in the first, if you remember, I told you that domain and range go hand in hand. But range is dependent on domain. And I told you will get it later. How? Because see, I have binded the domain between 2 and 6. So the range will also be binded. To find that range, I need the y values corresponding to the minimum and the maximum, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to find out what is f2 in this case. This becomes 2 multiplied by 2 minus 4, which is equals to 0.
Yes.
Yes.
And then I'm going to find out what is f of 6. Becomes 2 multiplied by 6 minus 4, which becomes 12 minus 4, that is equals to 8.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So can I actually say that my range is y values or fx, you can write both ways, okay, is greater than equals to 0, less than equals to 8.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, no,
Yes.
clear, not clear?
Yes, you can do that.
Is that all clear?
Yes.
Okay, now I will teach you something, and if you can adopt that, all these nonsense things will go away. What is range, lowest is, use a little bit of algebra here. What I'm going to do is this particular equation, I'm going to multiply it with 2. So this becomes 4 less than equals to 2x less than equals to 12. Multiplying both sides bit. No, yes.
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 Okay. Now I will subtract this whole inequality by 4. If I subtract this whole inequality by 4, this 4 minus 4 becomes 0. This becomes 2x minus 4. And this becomes 12 minus 4 becomes 8. Yeah, no, yes, no.
Yes. That's way easier.
Yes.
Now this 2x minus 4 is nothing but it is actually y. Am I correct?
You're clear.
Yes.
Yes.
2-line statements. Done. Are we clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
You have both the ways of doing it. Now it's up to you how you intelligently use it. I would always say try to use this. Why? Because sometimes what happens, you will get more confusions when you have been given something like half of this, like this. 2 is less than x, means x is greater. Here it is both greater than, less than, equals to. But if that is not the case, one is greater than or less than, another one is greater than, less than, equals to sign, becomes sometimes confusing, because when you are going to get this value, you have to be very careful to what to put back here. That if you use straight algebra, just simply from here itself directly you get the answer and you're done.
Okay, so to clarify my question, so we multiply the whole equation by 2 because 2 is a minimum value, right?
No,
Oh, just we multiply every single equation by 2? Like
you
No,
multiplied the 2 with the entire equation, with the entire
Okay.
inequality itself.
So what if it's like 3x? No, what if it's like 3 less than greater than x greater than 9? So what would we do? We multiply that by 2 or 3?
You multiplied by anything you want. Inequality can be multiplied by anything you want. It's just that when you
Oh.
multiply it negative, you have to change the sign.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yes,
Well,
anybody
would-
has any question?
This would work with if there's a mix of signs as well.
It will work with the mix of signs also. That is why I said that if you adopt this way, you don't have to worry about the sign at all. That what sign you are going to put. The method that you guys mentioned that I will put this minimum value of the domain and the maximum value of the domain and then find out what is the y values and then put it back as the range. It is also true. It is a traditional way. But if you don't want to worry about like putting signs, getting wrong in the signs where the things are coming from, make this x start from the domain and bring it to the function. Function means what? 2x minus 4. This is the function. Start from the domain and bring it to the function and let the answer come to you. This method is reaching, you yourself are going ahead and trying to reach to the solution. This is, you take the path, answer will automatically come. Does it feel like that? Am I kind of like putting it in right way?
Yes.
Yeah.
You will never go wrong here, guys. Only thing is you have to understand what needs to be made to what. Okay, now how I will change this as a SAT problem. Okay, I will give you fx is equals to 2x minus 4, and I will ask you what is the maximum value of 3x minus 2. Now the things will get different. Now your traditional method will not work. If it will work, you will always be in dicey situation that what to be done. Are you getting a sense now?
You can use
Something sense.
Yeah.
The whole question has been diverted that this is given. Okay. This fx is equals to this has been given. Okay. And this x is, this is domain. Okay. Okay. Now the thing is, sorry. Here's the thing. You have been given this. No function here. I am giving you new function. And I am asking you what is the maximum value of this function. I am just giving you the domain. Here you want to apply the similar concept that I have put.
Yeah, that makes more sense.
How would you conclude? I will multiply this both ways by 3. 6 less than 3x less than equals to 18. Then I will subtract both sides by 2. This will become 4. 3x minus 2 less than equals to 2 subtracted means it becomes 16. What is the maximum value of 3x minus 2? That means the maximum value is 16. Now somebody wants to say, sir, it's coming, but sir, it take time, sir. It's not going to be so. Somebody
Can you just show another example just to like clear it up?
Could you repeat where you got 18 from?
You multiply the equation with 3.
Wait, why 3?
Yeah.
Why 3?
Why 3? What is the expression I asked you? 3x minus 2.
3x
What do you
minus
have?
2. 2x, a 2.
I want to make it 3.
Yeah.
3x.
Oh, okay.
That is the intelligent decision you have to take. Yes or no?
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, now, yeah.
Getting more clear?
Yeah, that just cleared
Yeah,
everything.
understand.
Okay. Now, how many of you are saying that yes, sir, I am getting clarity, but it take me some time? No, yes.
Yes.
Somewhat. Somewhat. Not somewhat. There are some ifs and buts, right? Okay. So guys, at least see, you have to just try it out with some. I mean, like, okay, let me to make it better. Let me try to pick up something different, something similar. Let me see. Let me see graph analysis. Oh no, this graph analysis won't do. Okay, let me see. Domain and page. Oh no, this doesn't have those inputs. And probably I'll land up in like making my own. I had a very good question in mind, which I think I have in the Function algebra. Okay, let me see. No, but these worksheets are like really good. These are going to help you a lot. I'll go to assign all of these to you. How much you can practice, that will make you rock solid in these areas. Okay. I'm checking the last sheet. If I find it, that's good. Otherwise, I will continue. No, I do not have a problem, similar problem in the worksheet. Okay, let me see some problem that are there to for me to show. Maybe this comes. No, this is not the one. It's not the one. This is probably not the one. We want a similar problem, right? This is not the one. This is not the one. It's not there. Okay, so we do not have that one. Okay, so let me convert some of my notes here. It's difficult to find a problem which is okay. I think I have something. This is how the inequality has been defined. Okay, the inequality has been defined. Okay, I will make it a little complicated. Minimum value is being asked. Any thoughts? If there is no thought, then you tell me, sir, I have no. That's it. Any comments?
I think you just multiply the top equation to make it equal to, like, the middle one to make it equal to 5x plus 2. I just don't know what number to use.
Yeah, that's what I thought, but I was just thinking if it will work or not.
Okay. What else? Anybody else?
Or you could make it so that the middle one is equal to x, and then you could do the 5x plus 2.
Okay. Okay, let's see this. If I try to solve this, does it becomes 5 less than 3x less than equals to 6?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Does it becomes 5 by 3 less than x less than equals to 2?
Yeah.
So for the domain, it is at least greater than 5 by 3.
Yes.
Domain is greater than 5 by 3. But if domain is greater than 5 by 3, okay, and it is less than 2, so that means your in the lumber line graph, it starts from 0, -1, -2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 by 3 is approximately 1.6 or something. So this starts from
1.6.
Yeah, so it starts from here and continue only till here. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. This is what I got. Now for this particular 5x plus 2, I want the minimum value. If this is a minimum value, then the X value, wherever it is minimum, will give me the result.
Yes.
No, because it's not.
No.
It's not less than or equal to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So what should I do? I want the minimum value of 5x plus 2. And I am saying that x is greater than by 1.6. Exactly, not even 1.6.
Just plug in 5/3 to. Actually, never mind.
You are
That
right.
won't work.
Go ahead.
And then plug in 5/3 to the 5x plus 2.
Okay. I will plug in 5 multiplied by 5/3 plus 2. 25 by 3 plus 2. 31 by 3. 10.33. Yes or no?
Yes, but it's not the minimum value, right? It could be.
It's not the minimum value.
Yeah. it's
If
not
you will be
minimum.
given the options A, B, C, D, then you
Yeah.
would be able to choose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are we clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's turn down as this as maximum value. Now what you will do?
Plug in 2.
Plug into it.
Yeah, plug in 2.
Plug in 2. 5 multiplied by 2 plus 2. 10 plus 2. 12.
Yes.
Yes.
Right? Expression is done.
Yes.
Yeah.
Same thing. And I'm going to do is, I have already got this. Okay. I will multiply this with 5 completely. 25 by 3 less than 5x less than equals to 10. Plus 2 I need. 25 by 3 plus 2 less than 5x less than equals to 10 plus 2. 25 by 3 plus 2 I already calculated. This is 10.33. Greater than, sorry, this is plus 2. 5x plus 2 less than 12. Here we calculated the things. Here I used my algebra to get the result directly.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Are we clear?
Yes.
Okay. Are we getting some confidence how to play around with these functions kind of problems?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Anybody has any question or is feeling like, sir, I think it's still tough for me. Anybody has that feeling? People are sounding confident. Okay, that's good. No, this is very silly. I don't have to tell you. Mostly you guys will be able to tell me. It's a format problem basically. It's kind of like you have table valued given and a graph given. And then a correlation is being established and that question is being asked. How many of you think, sir, I have no clue? It is a hard problem for me. Medium problem. Easy problem.
Yeah, I would say it's easy.
Yeah, I'd say it's really easy.
Yeah.
Easy. If you take like a couple
Okay.
seconds.
Okay, I will pick some folks. Anaya, Anupriya, and Aradhana.
Moderate.
What is your thought, Aradhana, on this? Any clue? Still thinking, analyzing, figuring it out.
I was I'm having Zoom problems, like with the screen, not with the audio. It's like blinking. So if is it okay if I ask for the recording like after class ends?
Please log off and re-log in, Ikshita. Is that fair?
I just tried that. Like I joined the meeting
Okay,
again.
sure. You can reach out to Arpita man for recording. Okay.
Okay.
Anupriya, Aradhana, and Anaya. Anaya and Anupriya, yes.
I already
Comments?
answered.
Yeah.
I said it was moderate.
Moderate, yes. Anything, any good. Moderate, yes, I accept that. Any income, any inputs, like this is how I would do that and all. Anaya. Anaya, you there? Anaya, you're there? Anybody knows Anaya? Okay. Aradhana, how about you?
To solve this, I would go to the table and go
Thank
to
you. Devak, Bhumika, comments on this problem, please.
I know how to solve it.
Okay. Yes, Bhumika, what's your understanding?
So first you would go to 3 on the table where there's x and then find the h of x value, which is
Thank you.
4.
Nidhi, Sai Purnima.
Yeah, I would go to the table and then plug in x. And
Thank
then,
you. Nidhi.
I just answered.
Oh, okay. Sai Purnima. Sai Purnima or Sai? Yes, Sai Purnima. How about you?
I think I would go to table 2, but like I'm still a little like thinking about it, so I'm not sure.
Okay. Now here is the thing, guys. You have been asked for G of H3. This is G, and inside this there is H3. So as I told you, focus on H3. H3 means you are looking at the H function. H function, if you are looking, the first thing you should be focused on is where is my H. Then you will see there is no H function on the graph, but rather it's in the table. Then you will come back and say that my pointing here, I can say that when x is equals to 3, then H function value is 4. So do I write this as G4?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, when you say I want to get G4, then you say I don't have anything on the table, I have on the graph. You will come there and you will say this is something similar. So when x is equals to 4, what is approximately y value?
2.
What is the answer?
2.
Are we clear?
Yes.
Anybody who is not clear on this, please? Anybody who is not clear? Okay, good. I'll bring up few more questions, guys. Practicing. Of course. Welcome.
How did you get h of 3, like in the table?
H of 3 in the table. You see, I have blocked it actually. When x is equals to 3, the function value directly is given as 4. Is it not?
I thought we would have to like.
See, in the table, yeah, you see that x and hx are given. That means x and y values are already given. That's the relation. Am I clear or no?
Yeah.
So you are directly been given that for x is equals to 3, what is the function value itself? That is why I put h of 3 equals to 4. Am I making sense? Anybody wants to explain it better? Are we clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Let's see if I can grab some interesting, or we have already done this. We have done this or no?
No.
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 It's not that of a difficult problem. I think we can think over it and try to solve this.
Yeah, it's really easy.
I want to hear back from those students who think this is moderate to tough to them. Please ask if you're not clear. I will explain you 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. No issue. Silence means I'm worried. At least you say, sir, I'm kind of got it, but I'm not too sure.
I think it's
I'm still
easy.
thinking.
Okay. Anybody who's sure shot that, sir, I think I will be able to easily solve it. It's not a tough problem.
I do.
Anybody? Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Okay. Who wants to go? Jet Harun, Karishma. Jet Harun, you there? Jet Harun, you are silent. You are talking on mute. Karishma, you there? Okay. Who else? Nidhi, I'll try.
Sure. So if you look on the graph, so it's the question's asking f of 6. So if you look at f of 6 on the graph, you can see that f of 6 is equal to 2. And so then
Thank you. Sarah?
I think it's easy and I know how to do it.
Okay. Ikshita? Aditi Kumar?
I'm a bit confused, so.
Confusion is good. No issues. Aditi Kumar? Aditi Kumar, we are not able to hear you. Anybody who can hear Aditi?
Yeah, she just said
That again?
something, but like, yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
Aditi.
okay.
Yes, go ahead.
I'm gonna need another second or so.
Ayush?
I'm a bit confused. I'm kind of like,
Okay. Sai?
Yeah, this is a really easy problem, and I know how to do it. Should I explain it or?
Okay, no, let me explain. Guys, this is f of f6. As I told you, when there is a function within a function, don't see what is outside, just see what is here. F of 6 is what? Value of the function when x is equals to 6. Value of the function when x is equals to 6. What is the value of the function when x is equals to 6 here?
2.
Are we all sure?
yeah.
Okay. 2, we can make it out because the graph is showing that y value is 2. Now come again, this is f becomes 2. This will tell you, this is asking you, what is the value of the function when x is equals to 2?
wait,
That's all it is. And that's it.
Oh,
When x is equals to 2, what is the value of y?
-2.
Negative.
Are we clear?
yeah, I'm clear now.
Yes.
A is
Clear.
the answer. Is there anything here? Not really. There's nothing in this problem. Are we clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So let's see if I have something else to bring up. Did we solve this problem?
No.
Oh,
This is probably a sad problem. I will remain silent. If you Go through this problem carefully. You don't even need a pen and pencil. With all your senses, read the problem very, very carefully. You don't need pen, pencil, nothing. But don't give me, sir, answer is A, answer is G. I want somebody to tell me and explain that. How do you reach to the solution?
Well, I think it's easy, but I might be wrong with the answer.
I think it's easy too.
I think I can do it.
Okay.
I'm confused about like where to apply the K.
Okay. It's also a good comment. Others, 4 people have just answered. The rest are all silent. Maybe they are waiting. Sir, please finish up the class. I'm going for a long vacation today. My dad is waiting. Car is ready.
I think I understand how to do it.
Okay.
We need to explain.
Okay, Karthik, if you can go slowly. What is the meaning of, first of all, explain the problem.
The graph of y equals f of x, you got that? And if k is less than 0, you just focus on the left side of the graph. You don't.
Why should I focus on the left side of the graph?
Because those are all the negative values.
How does it indicate that it has to be negative values? K less than 0 means negative values. What does it mean?
Yeah, if k is less than 0, it has to be negative values.
How? You
Because
have to back up your reason by using that logic of fk equals to 0, isn't it?
yes, because
What does that indicate?
That whatever value you plug in will give that y value of 0.
Okay, I understood that you got it. Okay, but let's put it in the right format. F of k equals to 0. What does it mean? This means there is some k value for x which gives y as 0 or function value as 0. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes.
There is k, this is k is a constant, which is for x. Okay.
Yes.
Which gives y or the function value as 0. That is the meaning of fk equals 0. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
If you see the graph carefully, there are 2 points where y equals to 0.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nidhi, are you clear? There are 2 points in the graph for which y equals to or the function value is 0. Nidhi, are you clear?
I'm clear.
Tell me those values. Ayush, are you clear?
Oh yeah, I just got clear.
Can you tell me those values?
Yeah, it's -1 and yeah.
-1.
Yeah, the k is gonna be like -1.
My question was, what are the 2 values for which k equals that function?
Oh,
is
okay.
0?
Oh, okay, then for what are 2 values that like k equals to 0? Okay, so that's gonna be
Not k, function value is 0.
okay, then that's gonna be -1 and 3.
-1 and 3. How many of you agree with Ayush?
I agree.
Now the condition says that k value is less than 0. So which one will you choose?
-1.
-1.
What is your answer?
-1.
B.
A. I mean,
B is
C.
the answer or C?
C.
How many of you are like got a sense, sir, it is really easy problem now?
It's a really easy problem.
Yeah.
Do you think it's a very much doable or problem in SAT?
Yeah.
I think it's pretty
It is
doable.
deserved to be in SAT.
Yes,
Yeah.
Deserves to be in SAT. Yes,
we
it's
need easy
completely deserved to be in SAT. If you understood this very problem, 10 seconds, maybe 15 seconds. Are we clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, enough of functions practice today. I think please spend some time over the weekend on functions and graphs. You will see worksheets on your Lexicus account. Okay. And there will be like 3 to 4 worksheets. Okay. Please work as much as possible, get this topic well and solidified. We will be starting a new topic on Monday. Okay. And I'm going to go a little fast this time onwards because I need to finish up the syllabus as well. I have to cover the entire math portion. In the meanwhile, guys, bring up your questions. I still am telling you, if you have questions, feel free to WhatsApp me. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask. Okay. And yes, you have to, if you want to get better, you have to put your efforts. That's the whole thing. We have done enough of good practice now. We have done whatever you need for functions and graphs. It's not the end. It's not that we have practiced each and every question that has come in the SAT. We have done some model questions only. Okay, so please spend some time, go over some papers, send me if you have any doubts, ask me if you have conceptual doubts. Your basics should be clear. Questions are endless. There's nothing you can do about it. You should be able to apply your logic. That's what we want to achieve. Okay. Thank you so much for joining and have a good weekend. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Yes, I have a question.
Yes.
So like the previous one, like the one where there was like a double F, like was like a F